What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, Monday is already in the books, which means we had a chance to get back in our bag and do what we do. And guys, you already know, thank God it's Monday, because thank God I was able to get some money today. Guys, check it out. I'm kicking it off, guys, with like I do each and every week, like I do each and every day, for the sake of consistency, trying to teach and show, walk alongside, and ensure you guys know how to fish. Check this out, guys, really quickly. I had a play, and that was a put for 22.73% on today. Be flexible and nimble. I can't stress it enough. The earlier part of the market, puts were hitting. The second half of the day, calls were hitting, guys. Don't get stuck in one direction. Make sure if you're on the wrong side of the trade, do what you can to pivot so that you end up on the right side of the trade. Check it out, guys. The SPY, ticker symbol SPY, is sitting at $438.97. This one was up $2, almost $3 on today. I wanted to highlight this because check this out, guys. If you guys want to make some money on tomorrow, you need to know your levels, okay? And this, at this level, is reaching a resistance level towards that 439, 440 level. I want you guys to watch and react to what you see at that level, okay? Do me that favor. Matter of fact, guys, before we go any further, please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, now check it out. We have a huge event this week, which will be centered around Nvidia, because they have the spotlight. They are on deck in terms of earnings. The ticker symbol on this one is Nvidia. They're currently sitting at $471.79. They were up $36, almost $40 on the day, or the equivalent of nearly 8.5%, okay? And they're up a little bit more in after hours. Check it out. They report after hours on Wednesday. Then you have Jackson Hole after that. This has already ran substantially, over 200% year to date. And so, guys, you have to be thinking about your plan as it relates to Nvidia. Do you see more upside potential? Do you want to take some profits and then get back in on a pullback, okay? The choice is yours. Nobody can tell you what to do, and absolutely there's no right or wrong. My thing is make sure you guys have a plan, okay? Nvidia will have the spotlight this week. All eyes will be on Nvidia, so make sure your eyes is on it as well. If nothing else, just so you're abreast of what it does, okay? Okay, guys, I wanted to touch on some stocks that exploded today. In addition to Nvidia, another one was Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. At the time of this, guys, it is sitting at $232.65. It was up over $15 today, which was the equivalent of 7.3%, and is up in after hours another $1.33, okay? Listen, guys, Tesla was pinned down. It was at support around that 215 level. We caught a bid, breaking through resistance at around 222, 223, 224, which we talked about it in the Discord today, to watch the resistance level at 223, 224. That's what the test was supposed to be. This extra move was icing on the cake. Major salute to anybody that did their thing in Tesla today. This was a big move, $15. And guys, it's headed higher again, but like all things, watch out for resistance, because if it gets there and gets rejected, guess what? It's coming right back down. On the downside, guys, be looking for 224 to be tested to the downside, and then below that, you want to look at levels that it cleared to get there, such as 220, 218, and 214, okay? Make your money on tomorrow, all right? Check this one out, guys. DraftKings. I told you this is my dark horse play. They were crushing it today, up over 2.5%. They came out the gate down here at market open around $26. I'm still waiting for this to come back to $24. This is why it caught my eye today, that it took off like this. Initially ran up to 27, hit resistance, got knocked back down to 26 again, found support here. Look at this, 26.77. 26.78, that was a level of support. When you see confluence like that, guys, pay attention. Don't just let these nuggets go over your head, okay? They bounced off support, bounced up, came back, lower low, lower high. Then they proceeded to go up all the way to 27.36 towards the high of the day, guys. Listen, Stocks were exploding today, depending on where you were looking around the market. I often say, guys, there's a bull market somewhere all the time in the stock market. You need to keep your head on a swivel to find them, or learn how to go with the flow of the market. If your stock is going down, guys, it's okay to do a put, depending on if you're not at support already. If your stock is going up, it's okay to do a call, okay? And other than that, if you guys are investing, nothing beats holding long term and just adding when stocks pull back, okay? And then check this one out. Apple, I'm highlighting this one, ticker symbol AAPL. I crushed this particular play today. I think I made over $3,000 alone on Apple, let alone everything else, okay? Sitting at 175.52. Check this out, guys. Check this out, this level, 176. Apple has resistance at 176 and 177. So do me a favor, guys. Look for this level, look to see and react to what you see. If we get rejected from here, if we don't get rejected, I want you to quickly think about 177. And then you need to watch for rejection at that particular resistance level, okay? And then you need to be mindful that you got news, you got speakers, you got Jackson Hole this week, and a host of other things. And so again, this should try to test 177, but if it don't get there, guys, you know what to do from there, okay? Listen, man, today was a great way to kick off the week. I told you, I like to set the tone for the week, knocking my plays out the park. I try to do this each and every Monday because it just, again, it sets the tone for how the rest of my week will go. And then I can feel good that I made some money. I can feel good that my execution was on point. I can feel good about everything I'm doing in the market, okay? And so therefore, I love Mondays because it just, again, it starts me off on the right foot, okay? Listen, man, let me know down in the comments below if you made money today or if you made any moves in general. I want to hear all about it. Also, guys, do me a favor. Make sure you join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. And also consider joining the money team if you haven't done that as well, all right? You want to be mindful that in this game, guys, you're going to have ebbs and flows, okay? You need to make sure that you're looking at different time periods. I'm talking about time frames on the chart. The 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 30 minute, the 1 hour, the 1 day, the 1 week, so that you have the full picture of where your stocks can go, okay? Guys, it makes the game easier if you include chart work in your trading, okay? Don't just try to do this and you don't add that major component to what you're doing, okay? Because it'll just feel like, man, I can't get it right. Or you'll feel like you're gambling, or you'll feel like you got your fingers crossed and you're just hoping plays go your way, versus knowing or having some kind of inclination or understanding of where the plays can potentially go. I also want you guys to think about if this then that statement and scenario when you trade. I want you to look at the charts and say, okay, we are here. If this happens, we may go here, meaning if we get a bounce, we may go to this level. However, at this level, we may either break through and go higher, or we may get rejected and come down. These are the kind of thoughts you want to have with yourself in your prep work, in your preparation before market open, in your preparation over the weekend, so that when we hit the ground, we hit the ground running, okay? And that's what I want for each and every one of you guys. Listen, man, one-on-one coaching is available for those that need it. For everybody else, you keep showing up and showing out, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. If you consider the journey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my links below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.